Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a health GUI. Creating an effective health graphical user interface is crucial for user engagement and understanding. We will explore key design principles that ensure clarity and ease of use. Focus on making complex health data accessible and actionable for everyone. A well-designed interface can significantly improve health management and user satisfaction, guiding users through their health journey with confidence and simplicity. When designing a health GUI, consistency is key across all elements, from terminology to color schemes. Utilize a minimalist approach to avoid overwhelming users, presenting only the most crucial information on each screen. Visual hierarchy helps emphasize important data, using clear headings and contrasting colors. Remember, an intuitive design reduces the cognitive load, making it easier for users to understand and interact with their health information efficiently. Effective data visualization transforms complex health information into understandable insights. Line charts are excellent for showing trends over time, such as heart rate or blood pressure. Heat maps can visualize geographic data like disease spread, while dashboards offer a holistic view of multiple metrics. Interactive elements allow users to explore data in more detail, and clear visual cues, like distinct colors or icons, should highlight critical alerts or important information for immediate attention. Usability and accessibility are paramount for any health GUI. Conduct frequent user testing with diverse groups, including those with varying technical skills and abilities, to gather valuable feedback. Ensure your design is responsive and functions seamlessly across different devices, from large monitors to small mobile screens. Adhere to accessibility guidelines, such as providing high color contrast and clear typography, to make the interface inclusive for everyone. Offering customization options can also enhance user satisfaction and engagement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.